Listen, if your car seats are starting to look worn, stained, or just not giving what they used to give, this might be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Today, I'm installing these Coverado seat covers in my 2025 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to see if they actually transform the interior. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Tarisha. If you're new here, I do lifestyle, cleaning, and real life upgrades that actually make a difference. And today we're upgrading my car. First impressions. They feel really durable and I love the texture. It definitely doesn't feel cheap. Everything comes neatly packaged and you get all the pieces you need for a full seat setup. I'm not even gonna lie. I thought this was going to be complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward. You just slide, tuck, and secure everything into place. And honestly, the only part that took a little extra time was getting everything snug and smooth, but once it's in place, it looks really clean. Okay, this is a transformation. My car literally looks newer, cleaner, and more put together. What I like, the fit looks really sleek. It's upgraded the whole vibe of my car. Easy to wipe clean, perfect for moms plus everyday life. Things to keep in mind, take your time installing for the best fit. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your car interior, I'll have these linked below. And if you like realistic upgrades like this, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye. Have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. Mwah.